Hey guys, Gary from DIY Electronics. I got another little project with a ESP32 board. This is for the guys out there that want to do some coding and play around with Arduino and whatnot and get used to it. What I did is I wrote up real quick a little Tetris game that I put onto an ESP32, and I'll leave you guys a link for it down below. It's the, for Arduino, it's the INO sketch. And that way you can make it your own, do whatever, change the colors of the lines and name it whatever you want. Right now it's just, what did I name it? ESP32 Tetris. Alright, and it's a real easy sketch to do, and let's get right to it. Let's play around with it for a second. I'll just show you the controls and whatnot. It's just like it controls on the regular Tetris game, like you get on Game Boy or something like that. Left, right, up, down, and then if you take your mouse and you click in the center, it'll spin it this way and spin it that way. I'm going to show you anyways. So what you do is I'm going to power it up, and this is just like trying to get into one of the ESP32 miners. You go over on your Wi-Fi, it'll say ESP32 Tetris. You click on it, put in the password, which I set it up as Tetris123. And then you go to the website 192.168.4.1, and it opens up the Tetris game right on your computer screen. You can sit there and play with it. Alright, so let's go right to it. I just plugged it in. Do I have this set up right? Yeah, display one. Okay. So I'm going to go down here. Am I on display? Yes, I'm on display. Okay, so I'm going to go down here, and let's open up. There it is. ESP32 Tetris. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go connect. And if it doesn't open up a password field right here in a couple seconds, you can just immediately go up here and go 192.168.4.1, and it should open the game right up for you. Oh, there it is. It's already started. You can hit here in the center. You can flip it any way you want. You can go left. You can go right. Down, down. You just hold down and it just falls. Alright, left, right, spin it. Oops. Spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it. Go over here. Go over here. Spin it. Oh. I'm up there on that, spinning, 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 spinning. And if you want to start the game again, just refresh your browser, and it starts a new game. I'm going to bring this one, all the way over. Let that fall. Let that one fall right where it is. You can just hit that down arrow. It hurries it up on its way. Is that it? I'll hurry it up. Bang, bang, bang. And I can spin this one, spin it again, and bring it all the way over. Oh, messed up that one. Oh, get in there. Where is it? Right there? Yeah, here we go. Bang, down in there. Oh, this one's got to go over just a tad. Yep, right there. Bang, down. So on and so forth. Spin this around. Spin it. Oh, go over here. Ah! Oh. You can tell I'm not too good at this. Alright guys, I'm going to come back, talk my way out. Alright guys, that's just a little game I thought up. I wanted to get away from crypto there and everything else for a while. So anyways, I'll have the Arduino INO file down below. Load it up on your Arduino, play around with it, change the colors, you can put, your name inside each one of the blocks or anything like that, whatever you want to do. Mess around with it. Make it your own. All right, guys. That's all I got for you. Like, subscribe, and leave comments down below. Buy me a coffee. If you want any crypto stuff, I'm actually, just came through Christmas, so my store is pretty much empty. I sold out everything. I think I got a couple of ESP32 boards. I can't even get up there, but I can get up a couple of ESP32 boards, and that's about it for crypto mining. Oh, just one other thing. The ESP32 board, it has to be plugged into your computer for this to work. It has nothing to do with your Wi-Fi or anything like that. It emulates right through your computer onto your computer screen. All right, so no Wi-Fi, no nothing, but it has to be plugged into your computer. All right, guys, see you on the next one.